terrible.
So some of our upstairs windows were falling out. So that was our biggest reason why we needed to replace the windows. And it was either that or we were going to have to paint around the windows again, and we didn't want to have to do that. So.
Well, I was outside working one day, and a representative came by, and he kind of was looking at the house, and he said, "Are you guys be interested in maybe making your house look better?" And I said, "Yeah, I'll talk to you." And so and then it kind of went from there.
They replaced all of, 30?
Well, it went from 31 windows to 18. They did the soffits and the fascia. They did good. They were. I thought they were really friendly guys. I really talked to them a lot, and I really enjoyed. I liked them.
They said they wanted to make our house look as good as if it was their house.
Their house.
So
that's what they did.
Us.
Yep. And so that's why they really put a lot into it. You could tell.
We can go up to the windows and touch them. If it's cold outside, it's not as cold.
There's not hardly like there used to be air going through here all the time, and it has just completely stopped that. It's a lot better.
Yeah.
We can tell big differences. And this winter it should be really good.
Mm-hmm. A lot of people have commented since then
yeah.
how different our house looks because of the new windows.
Every day, I bet even now, there's people come by here, slow down, stop, and look at the house. A lot of people have noticed this house, so it's been pretty good.
Yes, we'd recommend, and
Yep.
different people have already asked us, about, well, who did your windows?
And they see the signs and kind of ask us, and we have told them that you want to change your house, get economically better. They really do a good job, and they've even asked us, said, "Man, your house looks so nice," and we said, "Well, these guys really they do a great job." So we're all sold on them.